Hi, this is my review of CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I have been using this for about 2 years ago because, believe it or not, for whatever reason, I didn't know that, people had like skincare routine and all these different products. So when my friend asked me, hey, what's your favorite moisturizer? I'm like, what do you mean? I just put like regular lotion on my face. And she's like, the lotion you put on your body, you put on your face. I'm like, yeah. So she introduced me to what a skincare routine was. I'm ashamed to say it, just 2 years ago. And so when I was researching some products, I came across this and I'm obsessed with this. I use it in the morning and night. And CeraVe just comes up with like these travel sizes, and they have like an AM, PM moisturizing cream. So I have it all. So this one is the 16 ounce. And this is my main one that I use, that I keep in my bathroom. It's really big. It's not going anywhere. It lasts me a long time. And I have really noticed a difference in my skin, especially during winters. Like, had I known about this so many years ago, my face would probably look even better. But here we are. It's still looking good, but it would look even better had I been using this for a long time. So I use this year round, but definitely during winter, I will never, ever forget this. So let me show you. This is what the inside of it looks like. It is a very nice and creamy. It's a very nice and creamy consistency. I used to put like a ton on my face, but I didn't realize that, you didn't need that much. So I just go ahead and put it all over my face and put it down towards my neck, as the experts say. And it feels very smooth. My face isn't left dry. It isn't oily. It is just right. I absolutely love it. This is how I end my skincare routine. I would definitely recommend this product. I've noticed a difference in my skin. So if you have any doubts, at least check it out. I didn't mean for that to rhyme. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So I hope you found my review helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.